Let's solve a problem about finding the slopes of tangent lines where a curve intersects the x-axis. We're given the equation y equals quantity x plus 1 times quantity x minus 1 times quantity x minus 3. Let's break this down step by step. First, we need to find where the curve intersects the x-axis. At these points, y equals 0. So we set our equation equal to 0 and solve for x. From this, we can see that x equals -1, 1, or 3 are our solutions. These give us our intersection points, -1, 0, 1, 0, and 3, 0. Now let's visualize this curve. Here's our function plotted. Notice how it crosses the x-axis at our 3 points. At each of these points, we want to find the slope of the tangent line. To find the slopes, we need to take the derivative of our function. First, let's expand our equation. We get y equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 3. Taking the derivative gives us dy dx equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 1. Now let's find the slope at each point. At x equals -1, we get 3 times -1 squared minus 6 times -1 minus 1, which equals 8. At x equals 1, we get 3 minus 6 minus 1, which equals -4. And at x equals 3, we get 27 minus 18 minus 1, which equals 8. Therefore, the slopes of the tangent lines at the intersection points are 8, -4, and 8 respectively. Notice how this matches with what we see in our graph. Positive slopes at x equals -1 and 3, and a negative slope at x equals 1.